Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another video, and in this video right here we're just going to be talking about the Louis Vuitton price increase and the different things going on with Louis Vuitton. And I am going to do an unboxing. I did buy another bag right before the price increase. I'm not going to do a full review like I normally do. We're just going to do an unboxing and a first impressions, okay? So if you want to go straight to that part of the video, go ahead and fast forward. But we're just going to talk a little bit right now about the Louis Vuitton price increase. So as we know, Louis Vuitton is getting more and more expensive, okay? And they've had several price increases over the past year. And, you know, I just want to give my 2 cents on it. I just feel like it's just getting to be too much, okay? I mean, honestly, most of the stuff is overpriced anyway. We already know that. You know, we don't need any of these bags, but we want them and we buy them. And, you know, that's fine and dandy, but I feel like for canvas material, they're starting to get a little bit too expensive. I mean, some of these bags are ranging from $2,000 to over $3,000, and for that price you can get a Chanel bag or a small Christian Dior bag, okay? So yeah, I just wanted to give my 2 cents on it, but you know, there are certain things that I want, and if I want something, I'm gonna get it. But I mean, come on now, it's just getting to be too much. For those of you that don't know, Louis Vuitton has closed all of its stores due to what's going on with coronavirus. Ever since they closed all of their stores, a lot of items have been available, and me and my friend were talking about it. You know, all of a sudden, like I said, everything's available. And you know, they have the multi pochette that's been available, the Palm Springs mini, which my friend purchased, that's available. Just pretty much all of the hard to get bags, the Toiletry 26, the on the go MM and GM, all of those have been available. So I find that quite funny because, you know, you struggle to get these bags and then all of a sudden they close their stores and all of them are available. But to just go ahead and get into the item that I did purchase, it's probably been about 2 weeks now that I purchased this item. It was available. I have heard that it is sometimes not available, and I was able to purchase it right away with no issues. I think I paid about $50 less than what it is now on the website. And the item is going to be the Louis Vuitton bum bag, okay? So let's go ahead and show it to you guys. So I chose to get this bum bag because I have another bum bag and I use it all the time. They're so versatile, and the same is going to be the case with this one. You can wear it as a crossbody, you can wear it as a sling, you can wear it across your chest, you can wear it as a traditional bum bag. I mean, the ways that you can wear it are endless. Okay guys, so here is the Louis Vuitton bum bag, and so here is how it's looking. You do have your untreated leather here that you do have to be very careful. I have worn this bum bag maybe 2 times since I got it. You know, you do have this flap right here that a lot of people still just open theirs regular, but I just flip it up and then open it. I find that to be a little bit easier. And here is the inside of the bum bag right here. Plenty of room inside. You can fit so much stuff. I mean, it's like a little mini purse. You can fit tons of items in here, not just a phone and a few things. You can fit the same amount of items that you would fit like inside of an Alma BB, or, you know, any of the other bags that are small but still give you a lot of room. So again, you can wear this bum bag so many different ways. It's super versatile, but you know, a con of it is because of the untreated leather, you do have to be super careful with it. You also have a back pocket right here. You can slide a cell phone in it, or you know, your wallet and a cell phone. Definitely plenty of room, and I think that for how much room you get and how much you can put in this is pretty much, I wouldn't say it's worth $1,500, but it's worth a decent amount based off of the different ways that you can wear it and everything that you can put in it. The bum bag is very comfortable to wear. It's very lightweight, and then you do have the adjustable strap on there, so you can pretty much, you know, adjust it to what works for you. Even though I'm not able to wear it as much right now because of all the rain and coronavirus and all of that, I definitely look forward to wearing this bum bag over the spring and summer at some point, or even the winter and fall. It can be worn during any season. You just have to make sure you're not wearing it when it's going to be wet outside, okay? So yeah, if you're interested in this bum bag, I would definitely recommend that you go ahead and get it because the price increases are not going to stop. and you know it's just going to get more and more expensive, and you are going to have to find it on the PreLoved market at some point if you don't want to pay as much. You can find some good deals on the PreLoved market, but then you have other people that are overcharging for stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys want me to do a full review where I do what's inside and give you guys some mod shots, let me know down in the comments. If you do have the bum bag and you've been wearing it for a while, let me know how you are liking it, okay? So make sure to subscribe to this channel if you do love luxury goods as much as I do. And I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.